It's action, Miss Rass.
Where'd they stash Cleo?
When you're finished chewing the fat, would you get me out of here?
A damsel in distress. My kind of action.
What took you so long?
You say the sweetest things. Relax, baby. Sorry, guys, but this cup is a two-seater.
Ain't a night at the carnival romantical?
Ain't it, though?
You know, fish gotta breathe too. They take in water through their mouths. Remove the oxygen from the water. If the water has been in the bowl too long, all of the oxygen gets used up and the water gets dirty from the algae growing in it. If you haven't got a bubbler and an air filter, you gotta change the water before the oxygen is all gone. That's how people take care of fish. And this is how cats take care of fish.
Breathe well.